Good afternoon, and welcome to the Good Blade's Kitchen. Today, we're making barbecued chip baby roasted potatoes in the air fryer. The seasoning mix is easy to make. If you don't have Maldon smoked sea salt and powdered Worcestershire, which are essential, links are in the description. Once you've mixed the seasoning ingredients, oil the potatoes with the non-flavored oil. Then sprinkle some of the seasoning on them and vigorously shake them. Put the potatoes in an air fryer basket or cage, close it up, and cook them according to your air fryer's directions. When they're done, sprinkle more seasoning on them and serve them. Enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on The Good Blade.